Cody running around down there anywhere?
Where's Cody? You guys have to keep an eye on Cody.
Oh, I see him. He's neon in the stands.
Since you're on break.
Yes.
Oh, the boys here?
I don't want to run my car anymore. Somehow it's just charging back up, but I'm not. The car's been running for a long time. And then you've got to. Change the inning. Woohoo!
See, it doesn't move. Just doesn't move. It's always
Turn
the
it on.
same.
Turn it back on. If it's out, restart it. Well, that's as of March 17th. Oh, in between innings.
Yes.
Well, mess with her phone.
Now batting for the River Cats, number 7, Zach Floresca.
Who's the kid, the base umpire?
Chance Nix. Oh,
Is he related to Jonathan Nix?
I don't know. I don't know who Jonathan is. He's the one that umpired behind the plate when he was calling everything in the ball that was like Robbie and Madrigal.
Oh, of course. Like this is might be on the plate.
Yeah, I mean, when Jeff told me that it was Chance and Isaiah, the thought that if Isaiah didn't show up, that we would have Chance, I like called Karen and like, Isaiah's gonna be there.
Tyler only has 3 more games to go. He's only done 2. So he's gonna get paid for 2. It's a weird umpire situation this year. Because when we signed up, I signed up for a bunch of games, and then we got an email, oh, you gotta only sign up for 2 because we have so many umpires, everyone needs a chance. And I'm like, well, then you're getting a whole bunch of free umpires. That's not fair.
Now batting, number 13, Kevin Toribio.
So I took him off a bunch. Then the first 3 got rained out. Then 1 got canceled. So.
Sounds like my brother. Wait.
Oh.
Don't rush. Don't rush.
Let it travel. Let it get to you.
Well, it's like, I mean, it's a shot or anything. Don't do it too soon.
That's right.
We were talking about Mason earlier. I'm impressed with Mason.
Him is gonna be here. He's nice. The problem with Mason is he should have played.
Yeah, no effort. That's what Brooke says now.
Now batting, number 3, Michael Gresh.
They're golfing.
Evan, do you have an eye on Cody?
He's in the stands. He's
She put him in neon on purpose.
yeah,
I like
yeah,
it.
thanks.
Smart mom.
I know.
A man would never think of it.
Yeah, it's a little soft on the dirt. I noticed him and Zoe's feet cute.
Yeah.
They're not grabbing.
Teresa said
for her age? Because she's old. She's way older. Because he was number 7, right?
Yes. Yeah. I think she's 83.
Yeah, I think that was her 80th.
Oh,
That we saw them last. Like.
They called it football, like
she
2 balls.
sent a nice quote.
Now batting number 1, Aiden Paz.
So I guess everything's. Oh, she thankful. So I think it's. And if not,
Oh my God, Heidi.
what was that?
I can't even yell at you.
That's what I do.
I think he like kind of was like trying to get out of the way and then at the same time like fight it off.
Swung, yeah.
I think it was just like a gut reaction.
Yeah.
Sometimes ID's just like so aggressive. He's just like made up his mind before the pitch.
It's like
Now batting number 6, Alonso Montorio.
You have 38?
I have 38.
Good.
I do too.
You're good.
I do too.
Okay, you get a cane. You have to.
Really? It's exciting.
Oh, that was nice.
It's cheese. I see what you mean. It's like there's no solidness. Watch his right foot when he comes forward. Like there's no, oh, now he had a little more of a grip. But because it's so soft, it's like doesn't give you traction.
the
mount. Is that a ball?
Yeah.
Let's go, Joe.
Now these ones are
They have good kids. These ones are good kids.
Well, I give her the choice if she wants.
I have the thing in my, I brought the shirt in my car.
All right. Ooh. Need some bleach for those pants.
Okay.
Yep.
That was a loud scream for strike 2. Because they were talking he drove down. She's the oldest. Oh, she's the oldest of.
Now batting number 4, Cody Molinex.
She was the oldest of 7. And 2 daughters, 9 and 6. Just horrible. And it's funny because
Yes.
you won't remember this week.
You know, that's what the producer said. He said, nasty stuff.
Come on, Cody. It just gets softer.
Yes.
what kind of charge it's going
Could
to be.
we put it down on the computer then? Okay.
It is on the computer too.
Okay. Oh, I showed everybody.